The script just sent a real email and a real SMS.
Both at the same time. 10 lines of Python. No external service for the email. I am Mahaz, episode 57. By the end of this video, your Python scripts can notify you.
Anywhere, anytime, let us build it. smtplib is a Python library that is already installed. No pip install needed. It is part of the standard library.
SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. It is the language email servers speak to each other.
smtplib lets your Python script speak that same language.
You connect to Gmail or Outlook, give your credentials, and send. Your script becomes a sender. Any recipient, any subject. Before writing code, one setup step is required.
Gmail will block your script if you use your real password.
Instead, you create an app password, a special 16-character code. Go to myaccount.google.com. Then security, then two-step verification, then app passwords.
Create one. Copy those 16 characters.
That is what your script will use instead of your real password. Your real password stays secret. The app password is for scripts only.
Your first email, 10 lines of Python.
Import smtplib. Import SSL. smtp_server equals smtp.gmail.com. Port equals 587. Create an SSL context. This encrypts the connection. smtplib.smtp of the server and port. Then server.lo, server.startles, server.login.
Server.sendmail with the from address to address and message.
That is it. Real email. Real inbox. Real delivery. Plain text emails work fine, but you can do much more.
Email.mime lets you build rich emails with HTML and file attachments.
mime multipart creates the email container. mime text adds the body, either plain text or HTML.
mime base plus encoders lets you attach any file.
A PDF report, a log file, a CSV, anything your script created. The recipient opens the email and the attachment is right there. For SMS, we use Twilio, the most popular SMS API in the world. Pip install Twilio. Free trial account gives you a test number. From Twilio.rest import client. Client equals client of account _ SID and auth token.
Client.messages.create with to, from _ and body.
3 lines. A real SMS arrives on a real phone. Store your credentials in environment variables, never hardcode them. 30 seconds before the live build. 57 episodes. Free. Every single one. If this is helping you, 1 subscribe keeps it going. 14 bonus episodes still ahead before the AI series begins.
2 seconds. Tap it now.
Okay, NotifyBot live build. Let us go.
NotifyBot sends you an email and an SMS from one script.
Step 1. Import smtplib, SSL, mime text, mime multipart, and client. Step 2. Read your credentials from environment variables safely. Step 3. Build the email with mime multipart and mime text.
Step 4. Connect to Gmail and send using smtplib.
Step 5. Send the SMS with Twilio in 3 lines. Step 6. Wrap both in a function called notify.
1 function call. Email arrives. SMS arrives. Done.
3 mistakes that trip up almost every first email script.
Mistake 1. Using your real Gmail password instead of an app password.
Gmail rejects it every time. You need the 16-character app password. Mistake 2. Using port 465 instead of 587.
Port 587 with startles is the correct combination.
Mistake 3. Hardcoding credentials directly in the script. Use os.environ to read them from environment variables instead. Your challenge.
Extend NotifyBot to send an email with a file attachment.
Step 1. Create a simple text file with some data. Step 2. Attach it to your email using mime base and encoders. Step 3. Send it and confirm the attachment arrives in your inbox.
Bonus, schedule NotifyBot to run every Monday morning at 9.
Reply with a screenshot of the email in your inbox. I reply to every single one. Let us recap what you learned today.
smtplib, send emails from Python. No extra install needed.
App password, the safe way to authenticate with Gmail.
Email.mime, build HTML emails and attach any file.
Twilio, send a real SMS in 3 lines of Python. Notifybot, email plus SMS from one function call. Every automation script you build can now alert you when it finishes.
Next episode, data structures and algorithms in Python.
Subscribe so you do not miss it. See you tomorrow.
smtplib and Twilio unlocked.
Your scripts can now reach you anywhere. Email, SMS, attachments, all from Python.
Next, episode 58, data structures and algorithms.
Subscribe for the next episode. Tell me what your first automated notification will be.
I am Mahaz. See you in episode 58.